Hello everyone and welcome to the hidden world of Wi-Fi hacking, where your data can be exposed literally naked on a network. Yes, we are talking about data. That means we are talking about actually internet where Wi-Fi network is being used. Say for example airports, then cafes, malls, they provide this facility of Wi-Fi which are actually free. So that is not even many people connect their devices like smartphones or laptops to that network. So what happens in that case? Is that risky or not? Yes, of course that is risky. Public Wi-Fi networks are always risky because that is not known to you whether hackers are doing something or not. Okay, on that same network. So actually what happens in case of public Wi-Fi networks, in most of the cases that remains unencrypted. Encryption is not used. Encryption method to protect your data, encryption method is used, but in case of public Wi-Fi networks, they don't use encryption methods. Your data or your traffic remains unencrypted. That's why that is risky. Again, they use shared passwords. Shared passwords. So even if you are using password to connect to that Wi-Fi network, which is free actually, okay, still MITM attacks can happen. MITM means man in the middle attack can happen. In that case also, your data can be hacked. Your data means your sensitive information like your username, password, banking details, private messages, etc. So many things are there which should remain actually private, should not be hacked by anyone. So in case of unencrypted traffic, okay, these things happen. Unencrypted. And if encryption method is used, in that case, what happens? In case of encrypted method, say for example, that is public Wi-Fi network and they are using encryption methods. In that case also, what happens? Yes, hackers can collect your encrypted data. They intercept your encrypted data, but they can't do anything with that data, encrypted data. They can't do anything with that encrypted data. That means since they are collecting, okay, they are collecting your encrypted data, that means you cannot remain invisible to them. You become actually visible to the hackers that way. Okay, though your data remains encrypted. And just keep in your mind one thing that harvest now, decrypt later, that phrase. If you know that phrase, that means what? At present, they cannot do anything with your data. They are just collecting your encrypted data. But in future, when quantum computers arrive, in that case, they can decrypt your data. Okay, they can decrypt your data. That means whenever you are using public Wi-Fi network, that is always risky. Maybe at present that is not risky, but in future that is risky. Anyway, so we were talking about what? We were talking about public Wi-Fi networks. Even some hackers are there who actually use evil twin Wi-Fi, which actually, which is what? That is actually fake hotspots, which mimics legitimate ones like airport free Wi-Fi, like that. In that case, what happens? Whenever you are connecting to that network, in that case, your data, your traffic actually travels through their system. And in other cases, they use, means hackers use, what? They use a packet sniffers software. So whenever you are using internet, using their Wi-Fi network, you are using internet, you are sending messages or whatever you are doing on that network, in that case actually your browser exchanges some data chunks. Okay, some data chunks. And that is called packets. So by using those packet sniffers, okay, packet sniffer software, they collect your that data. Packet sniffers. Okay, so that is risky. So if first of all, so what is the safety? First of all, you avoid using Wi-Fi, public Wi-Fi network. You avoid using. And if you are using public Wi-Fi network, in that case, you don't use sensitive information. Don't use sensitive information when you are connecting to that public Wi-Fi network. And one more thing, you can use a VPN. That is known to you, VPN. Whenever you are using VPN, so even in case of untrusted websites, your traffic actually, your traffic is encrypted that way. If you use VPN, just after use, you forget the network. Means don't let your device auto connect, okay, to the same network. So after use, you just forget the network. So this way you can proceed, or you should make this habit, okay, to protect your privacy, to protect your data. So many ways are there. You have to be cautious all the time whenever you are using public Wi-Fi networks. Okay, and one more thing, means newer Wi-Fi standards, they like WPA3, they actually use a stronger encryption and protection method. Stronger encryption and protection method. Just keep in your mind that even if data remains encrypted, even say for example you are using public Wi-Fi network and you are using HTTPS mode, which is actually encrypted. Okay, HTTPS. That padlock sign, green padlock sign, little green padlock sign appears just beside the web address. Even in that case also, there is some risk, and hackers actually can downgrade the connection. They can use a fake certificates to strip away your HTTPS protection. That means what? What is the conclusion of this discussion? Conclusion is that public Wi-Fi network, whether encrypted or encrypted, always risky. Whether unencrypted or encrypted, in both the cases, public Wi-Fi networks are always risky. Okay, if unencrypted, they can see your data in plain text. The hackers can see your data in plain text. If unencrypted, and if encrypted, okay, they are not. They cannot do anything with your data at present, but in future, since they are collecting your data at present, so in future they can do many things with your data. They are just waiting for the arrival of quantum computers. Okay. So now you know that public Wi-Fi networks are always risky, and that's why title is made that way. Naked on a network. Naked on a network means your data. Okay, we are talking about actually your data. So you should always avoid public Wi-Fi networks. Okay. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. If you found this video interesting, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is it. Thanks for watching.